If you've been welding for a while and haven't TIG welded, but are looking to learn how, today I will go over some of the items that you will need and will have to purchase if you don't have them already. First thing you're going to need is a TIG torch. You'll need some tungsten. The Hobart Multi-Handler 200 does come with 2% serrated. You'll need some filler metal, 100% argon gas, and in front of me I do have a foot pedal. Your machine may or may not come with one. You do not need the foot pedal in order to TIG weld, but if you want to do some remote lift arc or if you have a high frequency start, you will want to get one for your machine. The last thing you're going to need is a tungsten grinder. Here I have a dedicated one, but if you do not have one, you can use a benchtop grinder. Just make sure that you have a dedicated wheel for grinding your tungsten. So take a look at the machine you have, make a list of what you will need to purchase, and get started on learning how to TIG weld.